And hello, welcome back to Lost.in.stupid.garage. So let's get right to it. Today we're going to be cleaning up some Hummer H3 rims. I got these directly sent to me over eBay from the Midwest. It was actually pretty quick to get them, and it was actually way more cost effective with gas being $5 a gallon. So let's get right on it. Okay, here we go. Welcome back. Today we're going to be taking the TPMS sensors out of these and spraying them down with Easy Off Oven Cleaner to clean the rims a bit because they are skank-y. And we're going to save these TPMS sensors as much as we can. Put that to the side. I'm using a 12mm for this. I know my replacement ones were 13 or 14mm on my last rims. These seem to be a 12mm.
They seem to vary in size frequently, from what I've seen. There we go. There, we saved that one. Nice. I didn't know if I'd be able to save that. That's the first one saved. A little crusty looking, but still doable.
Come on, baby. On you go. There we go. Very nice. Alright, this one must have been replaced earlier on. You dope. Been a long day for me already. I was up super early and went out and took two for two. At least I haven't had to cut them or drill them this time. That's a blessing. Yeah, the last time I had to cut and drill them, and that sucked. The last rims, they were a real pain in the buns to get out. This one's coming right out too. Sweet. Some of these might actually be salvageable to be used elsewhere. This is what I'm going to use on my rims. Oven cleaner, heavy duty, OxyClean. Cuts through baked on grease, food spills. I thought if it could cut through stuff in your oven when it's been baked over and over and over, maybe it would do it here. So let's go. What do we have here? Gonna have to get a second can, darn, because I have sprayed the piss out of these rims so far, and it's doing nothing. And people swore up and down on the U-tubulous there, that it would do something, but I have a news for you, it doesn't. It does nothing, from what I can see. It couldn't get out of its own way, let alone take something off the rims. No, I think this is junk, that it's not going to do squat. But that's just me, folks. But I think it's garbage. I don't see it doing anything.